Zoom has become really popular for online meetings and webinars, and it's a great tool with lots of awesome features. But it's not the only game in town for live meetings. So I wanted to see how it stacks up against software that's a little less conventional. Restream Studio has all the features you could ever need for an online meeting, especially if you're a small business. So how do they compare? Well, let's check it out. If you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you don't miss any new content. Full disclosure, this is a sponsored video by Restream.io, so thank you guys so much for helping me live my dream. I know this is software that's going to be able to help every single person out there who's looking for conferencing or possibly live streaming. Using Zoom for free, you can host a one-on-one meeting with no time limit or a meeting with up to 100 people for 45 minutes. You can have as many meetings as you want, and a participant does not require a Zoom account to join the meeting. You can share a screen or application, and guests can as well. Zoom also has a feature known as Active Speaker, which will automatically make the person who's talking full screen. This could be a blessing or a curse depending upon whether people know how to mute their own microphones. You can broadcast your Zoom meetings live to social media platforms, but that is not free. It's part of an upgrade package. Restream Studio is free to use, and you can have up to 10 guests with no time limits. There are no limits to how many meetings you can host, and you can even have a static link so people always know how to get into your meetings. Your guests do not need an account or any software to install to join your meetings. You or your guests can share screens and applications to demo during the meeting. You can highlight any guest or shared screen at any time during the meeting very easily. You can also go live for free to any social media platform to add an unlimited number of viewers and chat participants. You can add lower thirds and name badges for each guest, as well as change the layout and the background for the meetings. Multimedia videos can be played during the conference really easily. Restream Studio is very easy to run on the host machine. It runs on a web browser and requires no installation. Restream is not collecting any of your data or information on you or your meeting guests. It's private and secure. So what's the final verdict? There are so many features and options in Zoom, and I can totally see why big businesses would absolutely love it for its meetings and its webinars and all of those things that it can do. But it can be very costly, and if you're really just looking to have a few people get together for a meeting, Restream.io is really simple. For smaller businesses or startups or something like that, Restream.io is the perfect solution. It's really easy to share the link and get 5 or 6 people on there to share ideas, and it's just so easy. Both of these softwares definitely have their place, and it's just a product for you to decide what's best for you. If you want to know more about all the features you can get with Restream Studio, you should check this video out right here. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Fire Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.